Only qualified personnel should install Napoleon appliances and accessories. See product manual for details. This video will demonstrate how to install the Driftwood Luminous log kit into a Napoleon TLV62L fireplace. The studs within the firebox have letters associated to them for identification. This helps indicate correct log placement over the venturis when used with the log placement leaflet. When installing the Driftwood Luminous log kit into the TLV62, studs A, B, C, I, and J will need to be removed. Locate the holes in the bottom of log 2 and place them over stud F and venturi 2. The log should sit flat on the media tray and not cover or cross over the burner at any point. Next, locate the holes in the bottom of log 1 and place them over venturi 1 and stud D. The elongated part should extend upward and sit across the bottom portion of log 2. Locate the holes in the bottom of log 3 and place them over venturi 3 and stud G. The log should sit flat on the media tray and will cross over the burner with a small charred arch. Locate the holes on the bottom of log 4 and place them over venturi 4 and stud H. The bottom of the log will lay flat on the media tray, with the extended end resting on log 3, behind the notch, on the top. Locate the hole on the bottom of log 5, and place it over stud E, on the media tray, between logs 2 and 4. Ensure the charred part is facing forward, and the log is pivoted, so it does not cross over the burner. Identify the flat area on the bottom of log 8, and place it on the media tray between logs 2 and 3, in front of the burner. Ensure the wider portion of the log is on the left-hand side, and the thin end of the log is angled slightly towards log 3. Identify the flat area on the bottom of log 9, and place it on the media tray, behind the burner, and log 4. Ensure the charred part is facing forward, and the log does not cross over the burner at any point. Locate log 7, and the area in front of the burner, on the left side of the firebox. Place the log on the media tray, matching the curve of the log with the angle of the burner. Ensure the log's placement does not cover the burner at any point. Locate one of the log 10s, the area to the left of the firebox, and the bottom of log 1. Place the small curved portion of the log on the media tray, and rest the opposite end on the bottom of log 1, across log 7. Locate the second log 10, the area to the right side of the firebox, and the right side of log 4. Place the log, with the small curved portion on the media tray, and the opposite resting across log 4, with the charred portion of the log facing forward. With all the logs placed correctly within the firebox, turn on the ember bed lights, then wash, dry, and place the glass on the media tray, around the logs. Ensure there is no glass placed on the burner, or pilot, and the lights can shine through the media tray, creating a realistic ember bed effect. Next, place the splinters around and on top of the glass, filling in the remaining areas of the media tray. Place the charcoal pieces around the logs, and in between the other media to create a realistic ember bed effect. Then place glowing embers, and optional ambient glow embers, on the burner, around the large burner ports, ensuring not to cover the burner entirely. Lastly, place the rock strategically around the other media, and spread the vermiculite throughout the entire media tray. With all of the media installed correctly, turn on the appliance and allow it to burn for a minimum of 15 minutes before assessing the flame. This time frame allows for the flame to establish, for a more accurate assessment of the appliance's baseline operation. If for any reason fire is visible underneath the burner, install the gaskets and rings provided, following the steps in the installation leaflet. To do this, peel the paper off the back of the silicone gasket, and stick it to the steel ring. Next, place the gasket side of the ring assembly into the venturi hole in the logs. Ensure the steel ring is flush to the bottom of the log, for a tight seal. Inspect the flame coming from the burner. Ensure the glowing embers are not blocking any of the burner ports, and are spread out to create a realistic glow. Then turn your attention to the flames coming from the luminous logs. Each opening should be filled with an active flame, reaching towards the top of the log. Click here to view the Wolf Steel Technical YouTube page. Like and subscribe to our channel to get notifications for new product and troubleshooting videos.